Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a buffet makeover. I thrifted this buffet about 2 years ago. I purchased it for about $14. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I am doing a series called House to Home, where I am making our new house into our home. This is our third move. So right now I'm just getting all the furniture and everything the way I want it. So here you guys see me cleaning the furniture. It is shaking because I have it on 2 pieces of wood, because that's just the way I like to paint, because I like to be able to get under the furniture and get all of the area covered. So you guys are going to see me doing that. I use Rust-Oleum Candy Apple Red paint, and I can leave that in the description box, and I just got that from Home Depot. So here I always start off with a prime. I prime the piece. I usually do about 2 coats of primer, just so that when I put my paint on, everything is even and it looks really good. Absolutely love this furniture paint. I purchased this off Amazon, and this little can is about $18 with tax, but it is so worth it. It makes everything look so nice and so elegant, so I would strongly recommend you purchase this. And from all the reviews, they said a little goes a long way. So here you're just seeing me put on the pieces, put the drawer pulls back on. I love the way it came out. And then that white piece that you guys see, I got paint in my hair because my husband and I painted my office, and my head touched the wall when I was moving. So, yeah. So this is the final result. I am so happy with it. I like it a lot. It's really, really nice. I think we're going to house maybe our games in here. Just because we have a lot of board games, and I just think this will be a cute little accent. I'm going to show you guys a full living room tour, but that won't probably be into like 2 more videos because I have a few more things to do. Thanks so much guys for watching. See you next time.